Hey everyone, this is Jake McCauley, President of the Institute on the Constitution. When you become an Institute on the Constitution member, you gain access to all of our online courses and exclusive materials, including our most popular U.S. Constitution course. Our members portal is a place where you can come not only to learn about the Constitution and other founding documents, but to also learn how to apply your knowledge of the law in your community, teach it in your home, and restore the constitutional republic from the bottom up. Now, many people think the U.S. Constitution and America's founding principles are racist, and that most of the writers were deists. Learn why these assumptions and many others are not true, and how you can defend and teach the truth. The war for the hearts and minds of Americans is real. We believe the way to win this war is through education, and we need unadulterated education that is not taught in public schools today. That's why all of our course materials were created using primary source documents, so you can hear from the founders themselves, and they're taught using the principle approach method of education. Once you get started, you'll see what I mean. Click to learn more and register today.